As one of India's largest and fastest growing sports and athleisure brands, Campus Shoes is becoming a partner that helps the youth to truly express themselves by offering on-trend, fashion-forward footwear. Today, we open the doors to the beating heart of Campus Shoes, a place where technique blends seamlessly with artistry, innovation meets scale, and perfection leads the way. Our Baddi facility, a center for craft and innovation, brings together about 3,000 skilled workers, 24 advanced conveyor belts, and state-of-the-art machinery spanning 433,000 square feet to produce over 50,000 pairs a day and revolutionize everyday footwear into everyday masterpieces. Every shoe goes through 42 carefully executed steps, showcasing our dedication to craftsmanship and quality. The process commences after a thorough quality check of the raw materials. At this stage, the BIS label is precisely fused onto the tongue using an advanced label pasting machine while ensuring strict compliance, followed by threading the laces onto the upper. Counter and toe molding are executed to shape the heel and the toe sections respectively into a flawless 3D form as per the standardized norms. This utilizes advanced hot and cold molds to achieve optimal structure and ensure best-in-class technique, providing us with a competitive advantage. This is followed by seamlessly stitching the upper notches with the straddle notches to form the shoe's foundational structure, complemented by steaming, which uniformly softens the upper, preparing it for subsequent stages. At the mounting stage, lasting jack is used to position, align, and secure the upper onto the last. Toe and seat lasting is then carried out using lasting machines, setting the stage for perfect shaping and providing a refined contour. Together, these steps ensure precision for the shoe's final form. The roughing process carefully prepares the sole slip for adhesion. Side and lip marking is then prominently done on the upper while maintaining the required gaps for flawless assembly to get things ready for the next phase. The process advances as the lasted upper and sole are passed through a specialized priming chamber that facilitates and preps it for sole priming. Here, the primer is carefully traced across the sole. After applying the priming coat, the components proceed to the first heat chamber, which ensures optimal bonding. The first coat of cement is then carefully applied to both the sole and the lasted upper, followed by a second round through the heat chamber to further enhance adhesion. Our innovative second round of cementing utilizing water-based adhesives sets us apart and aligns with our commitment to integrate environment-conscious practices and minimize VOC emissions. Spotting comes next, a vital process to ensure the sole and upper are perfectly aligned, paving the way for sole pressing, where advanced machinery guarantees a firm and uniform bond. Edge sealing follows using innovative pressure feed technology to enhance bond strength while controlling VOC emissions. Durability is further enhanced with a second sole pressing, followed by a 5-minute cooling cycle in the chiller. This step stabilizes the adhesive, locking it in a reliable bond and ensuring each pair's strength. The final phase begins with delasting, where the shoe is carefully removed from the last, revealing its final structure. This is followed by socks cementing, where socks are precisely positioned within the shoe for cushioning and to ensure a supportive interior. As an additional measure, the socks are repressed to ensure accurate alignment and pasting. Subsequently, a thorough inspection is conducted to ensure all quality checks are met. Each pair is then stuffed with paper to maintain its intended shape. In this step, advanced printing technology is used to transfer ink to ensure clear, detailed branding, technical labeling, and integration of design elements. The journey concludes with precise packaging to ensure each pair is delivered in pristine condition. Shoes are carefully placed in an inner box and packed in durable outer boxes for secure transit. The result: over 23 million pairs sold annually. These aren't just numbers, they are a reflection of our commitment to the Move Your Way philosophy, which celebrates confidence, self-expression, and the freedom to move through life authentically. Driven by a vision for the future, we continue to blend heritage with innovation, redefining footwear in India, one bold design at a time. Together, we are not just making shoes, we are crafting a legacy of innovation and individuality.